Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays are a drag. In today's video, we're doing another look by another beauty pie palette, Earthy, and this is all greens. I'm gonna do swatches real quick and I'm gonna do this look. Obviously, the typical beauty by quality. So we're gonna do this. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new videos upload. Follow me on social media, all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So I had a little bit of situation, a big situation. The neighbors raised hell and the party was so loud my brain was exploding, so a lot of this is going to be in fast forward and voiceover. The swatches come out nicely, some of them a little hard to pick up, and like some of the shimmers not the most reflective, just like the blue palette. And I also was in a hurry because of the noise going on, so excuse the swatches if they're not the best, but you can see most of them are real nice. The light green is real pretty. I did not use it today because I wanted to go with the cool tones, true greens, and the warm tones just did not go together. Most of the swatches came out nice, as you can see. I'm picking up the Beauty Bay base, the same white base I used for the previous tutorial, blending it with the brush. And we're gonna start doing another look. The look that you see on the other eye, I kind of changed it because I wasn't feeling it. Starting with the darkest green, and we're going to map out the outer corner. I felt like this green was almost dark enough not to use black, but as you can see in the future, I'm going to cheat and use black. It is a very good pigmented green. I have no problem blending it. This is Oscar Velasquez brush set. They're quite large, but actually they're real good for this kind of blending because it makes the blending very easy. Switching to a flatter brush from the same set, I'm going to go into the inner corner. I'm gonna start building. As you're watching this right now, there is a hell of a party going on in someone's front yard. They literally hired musicians and they have a tuba, and it's so loud my ears are being poked out. I don't know what I'm saying, it's very late at night. Doing a voiceover at 3 a.m. because they still going at the party. It's been like over, can't even count how many hours, like 8 hours. Yeah, we got nightmare neighbors. Can't wait to get the heck out of this house. Blend into the bright green. I immediately went for that green. It's so pretty. This is like a true bright green. Made me want to use that. So this is gonna be mostly a cool tone green tutorial. Using yet another Oscar Velasquez brush. This one is slightly angled. I just like to use it for outside area and go to a lighter tone. I forgot the name, but this is a lighter green tone, the cool tone. It blends easily with the color theme I chose. One color goes right into another. We're just gonna build that up and go back to the dark colors as usual. And we're going to the lightest tone to highlight the brow bone. It's very reflective. It works a little better than the light blue in the Midnight palette, because it's just a lighter tone overall, and I think it has a little more sparkle to it. I'm cutting the grease with the same Beauty Bay white base, and we're gonna do just a simple cut grease and a little bit of gem situation. I really wasn't feeling today the whole situation, filming in the extreme noise and the migraine going on. So I'm like, let's make it simple and just put gems on it. Now I'm using the light green shimmers and a little darker back to back, lighter in the inner corner, of course, and the darker close to outer corner. The light one is very reflective actually. It's a very cool tone, a light green. And the dark one is more satin. It's not that great, but it just works to blend it all together as transition. And then I'm gonna blend it out with mattes as well. So I'm picking up the darkest green again, and we're gonna blend that with the brighter green and a little bit of a lighter green, just going back and forth between the mattes and the shimmers. And yes, that's where she's cheating. I'm taking the midnight palette and I am going for the black. I put the black eyeliner in my waterline, and now we're gonna marry it all with the black eyeshadow. Pretty much want to put the depth where I want it to be. In the outer corner, a little bit along the low lash line, and around the perimeter, the cut grease. It's all gonna get blended with a bigger brush afterwards. Just kind of drawing that deep grease. And of course, I had to put gems on it, because even though I didn't have patience for a complex look today, I still wanted to decorate it. And I have the light green gems and the dark green gems. So I'm gonna start with the light green gems, and you're not gonna see the rest because this is very tedious. So I'm just gonna place the light ones, give it a little wing shape, and we're ready to do the base. And there is the final look right there. The music is still blasting, so I'm on mute for now. So as you can see, everything came out pretty well blended and pigmented. There's nothing bad about this palette. So this is the full face look. I used all inexpensive products, mostly e.l.f. For the face, the powder, the foundation, CC cream. And yeah, I'm very happy with the palette, as you can see by my face. $11 for 16 pans, you cannot go wrong. I still think I like the midnight a little better, but that's because I love blue and purple. So this is a nice palette. I'm taking a quick break from the hail going on outside. Taking a break in between. So I highly recommend this. The shimmers are better. I think it's a little better than the midnight palette. Again, the light ones a little better than the dark ones. I used all the cool tones, which, you know, I love my cool tones. Usually I would go for this kind of shimmer, but it didn't go. So yeah. If you guys can get your hands on it, of course it's easy. Beauty Bay ships pretty slowly right now, but they do ship. The palettes arrive safely, so everything's always on sale. And for the amount of money they charge for 16 pans, for $11, it's absolutely worth it. If you need greens in your collection, you should really go for it. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live some Mondays. Follow me on social media, the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you so much, guys, for support. I love you all, and thank you for watching. I made it. The neighbors didn't start the music yet. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!